Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
So today I'll be showing you how I made my science performance task or presentation. It's about the 12 main constellations. So let's start, guys. So here you can see the presentation here, and I'm already done with about 8 slides. So the introduction is about 3 slides, but most of them are short sentences, and the rest are about the constellations. I've discussed like 2 so far, and I'll be getting my information off the Wikipedia and other sources. And if you're wondering where I got the stickers here from, I mostly put in stickers to make it look less bland. The website I'm using is called Canva. This is for my presentations. I used to use PowerPoint, but I found Canva more creative. It has multiple elements. You can search up some things, like maybe space or constellations. And you can go to graphics or photos to see examples. And here, for my stickers, I go to this website called STIACA1. You can search up the character you'd like. These are from a game called Chikai Colorful Stage, and I play it sometimes. And these are characters you can use in your presentations to make it look less dry. For me, I'm using this one so it can look less dry because this is the leader of a band based off constellations, or at least it's their main theme, so that it could fit my presentation. Also, it looks good with the template. So now the next zodiac sign I'll be doing is Aquarius. So here, if you go to design and templates, you can see tons of templates you can use. I use because it fits my theme of constellations and space stuff. It also has animated graphics, which I find very pleasing. Canva also has a more like this feature where you can see presentations similar to that. And by the way, sorry if it's not loading because my Wi-Fi is kind of slow right now. I'll be waiting for the other pages to load. And if I want the page to be exactly the same, but I'll just add some stuff, you can just copy and paste the page. Just left click your mouse and then duplicate page. Then you can switch that. Okay, I'll be deleting this page because it's just blank. And then I'll be editing some stuff, such as adding different pictures to show examples. And now I'll mostly go to Pinterest to look for examples. And here you can see lots of cute examples. Constellations. And this is where I get my photo examples from Pinterest. The 3 websites I use the most are STIACA1, Canva, and Pinterest. Also Spotify if I need to add some music into it. And here, since the pictures are loading, you can't see it very well, but it has the main color, but it doesn't load. And here you can see some are loading now. So I'll be looking for the best one to use in my presentation. And I think I'll be using this one. So now I'll just right click my mouse to paste it. And now the photo will show up pretty soon. And I'll just begin cutting the unnecessary stuff out. I'm looking for a kind of a square shape, so that's why I'm cutting stuff out. Okay, I'll be looking for a different one because this kind of just blends in with the background. This is a darker theme and I think that fits. So instead I'll be putting this one. Okay, here. Now I'll just cut it to my preferred size. Be comparing that. Okay, and now if I want to put a border to make it look less boring, I'd click on the picture and go to the border style. Okay, now I'll be adjusting the border weight and the corner rounding. If I want to change the border color, I'll go to this next to the border style and change it. So here, now I'll be adjusting the border weight and the corner rounding. I'll see this is the same color. And now I'll adjust it to the same size. Now, a ton of stuff are changed. A ton of stuff has been changed actually. So now the only thing I'll need to change is the information now. So I'll be searching up some information. And I'm mostly going to Wikipedia to get my information and to have a reliable source. Now I'll just look for the proper words. And now I'll be copying and pasting that onto my presentation. So here, I'll be adjusting the size. I'm gonna copy and paste it so that it can be the same font. And now I'm just gonna remove unnecessary stuff. And here the page is officially done. I'm just going to be adjusting some stuff and we're set. So now I'm done with that page. There's also an animation thing where you can animate stuff. I'll be using an example. I won't be using this in my presentation, however, I'll just be using this as an example to you guys. So here, what you're going to do is go to Animate, go to Photo Animations and press Create an Animation. Now you can drag the element around. I'm just going to be doing this in like a zigzag as an example. And then, when you go to the page, looks like there's a glitch. Okay, I'll just be repeating the same process. Okay, and now we're gonna go to Animate, an animation. And now when you go to the page, it'll be moving. However, I won't be using this in my presentation, however, because it doesn't really look good. And I don't know which scenario I should be using this in. Here, now I'll be adding the sticker in the corner so you can still see the little information. And I forgot that I would be adding the Taurus thing, so I'll be adding that too. I'll put it in the corner so that the information can still be seen. And there, now it's done. And since I've done this new page, I'll be adding a page transition along with the next two pages. For me, the best one is the best animation is flow for me personally, but you can always have different opinions. Another one I would recommend is color white. You can change the colors too if you pick it. It's the second one that I find pretty pleasing to look at. But for me, the best one is flow, and I'll be using that on my pages so that it looks simplistic. Now here's what the presentation looks like. I'm just scrolling it through fast because I don't really want to read it right now. I'll be reading it when it's done. So now you can see how the animation flow really looks like. And there, now it's done. The presentation isn't necessarily done, but the page is. And I think I've taught you guys everything there is to know. So I'll just be continuing the presentation, and you guys can use my advice to improve your presentations. So bye bye!